Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on lost device protection. Simply go to the settings, tap on the option security and privacy. Then here you can see the option lost device protection. Tap on this one. Okay, so we need to enable the Find My Mobile. We need to enable this one. You can see manage settings that help you find your phone and protect your data in case your phone is lost or stolen. Okay, so simply in this way we can enable the Find loss protection on this device. So if you enable the loss protection on your device, then we can track your phone if it is lost or stolen. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.